Most people think they know Excel because they use VLOOKUP, but let me show you a real problem that almost everyone faces and wastes hours every week without realizing it. Imagine you're working in an office and your manager asks you to quickly find the salary of an employee using their ID. So you use VLOOKUP like this. You type equal VLOOKUP, select the employee ID, then select the full table. Then you have to manually type the column number. And here's the first problem. If you type the wrong column number, even by mistake, you will get the wrong result, and you may not even notice it. Now comes the second problem. VLOOKUP only works from left to right. So if your lookup column is not on the left side, your formula simply fails. And this happens a lot in real work when data is not perfectly structured. And now the biggest problem. Imagine your manager adds a new column in between your table. Now your column index number changes, and suddenly all your formulas start giving wrong answers without any warning. And this is where most people get stuck and waste time fixing errors again and again. But now watch this carefully, because this is going to change the way you use Excel forever. Instead of using VLOOKUP, we will use a modern formula that removes all these problems completely. First, let me show you the old way, so you understand the difference clearly. Type equal VLOOKUP, select your lookup value, which is employee ID. Then select the entire table. Now for salary. Type column number 4 and press enter. You get the result, but this method is risky and not flexible. Now delete this formula and type equal XLOOKUP. Now instead of remembering any column number, you simply select your lookup value. Then select the column where that value exists, which is employee ID column. Then select the column from where you want the result, which is salary column. Press enter, and instantly you get the correct result. And here is the magic. Even if I move columns or rearrange data, this formula will still work perfectly without breaking. And not only that, you can also handle errors easily by adding a default value if something is not found. And this makes your Excel sheet much more professional and reliable. Now imagine using this in real office work where you deal with hundreds or thousands of rows. This one simple change can save you hours every week and reduce mistakes completely. So if you're still using VLOOKUP after this, you're making your work harder for now. Reason: start using this smarter method today and upgrade your Excel skills instantly. And one more powerful thing: if your data is not found, instead of showing error, you can directly show a message like "not found" using this method, making your Excel sheet look professional and error-free.